Let us take an example on Laplace equation. Solve the Laplace equation at the points u1, u2, u3, u4 by this figure. This is the problem given. Note this is a line square problem. In the previous lectures, that is some 3 lectures back, I had taken 16 square problem. Now I am taking a problem with regard to 9 square problem. Right? Now the procedure is this. To find u1, u2, u3, u4, you are applying only standard 5-point formula. Now what is standard 5 what is apply standard 5-point formula at the point u1? At the point u1 means left side 20, right side u2 plus upper side 100, lower side u3. u1 is equal to 1 by 4 into this point u1 is equal to 1 by 4 into left side 20, right side u2, right? I have written upper point 100, I have written, right? Lower point u3, this also I have written. So this is u1. So if I cross multiply 4u1 minus u2 minus 100 minus u3 minus 20 is equal to 0. So shifting this to this side, this is the equation you are getting. Now apply standard 5-point formula at the point u2. What is that? u2 is equal to 1 by 4 into left. I am applying at u2. What is the left side point? u1. Right side point 0. I have written. Upper point 100. I have written. Lower point u4. I have written. Now arrange this in a proper way. 4u2 minus 4 into u2. Bring it to this side. Minus u1 minus u4. It is equal to minus 100. I have written like this. Right. So similarly at u3, left point 30, right point u4, upper point u1, lower point u3. At u4, left side u3, right side 0. At u4 I am talking left side u3, right side 0, upper point u2, lower point 0. So these are the equations I got it. Now arrange this properly in an order. What is the order? First variable u1, second variable u2, third variable u3, fourth variable u4. Arrange it in an order. Then you are getting like this. 4u1 minus u2 minus u3. From this, simplify this. 4u1 minus u2 minus u3 is equal to minus 120. From the second equation, this one, if you arrange it, right? Minus u1 plus 4u2 minus u4 is equal to 100. Now this one, it gives you this equation. This is giving this equation. This is giving this equation. Similarly, this gives this equation. Now I have to solve this system. To solve the system, I am applying Gauss-Seidel iteration method. I have told you several times. Let us make it clear. What is that? Observe 4u1 minus u2 minus u3. u4 is not here, so therefore 0 u4, that is equal to 120. Now what is the second equation? Minus u1 plus 4u2, right? Minus u3 is not here, therefore 0 u3 minus u4, that is equal to 100. Next, minus u1, u2 is not here, so therefore 0 u2 plus 4 u3 minus u4, that is equal to 30. Similarly, fourth equation 0 u1, u1 is not here, therefore minus u2, 0 u1, next minus u2 minus u3 plus 4 u4, that is equal to 0. These are the equations I got. Now, what do you mean by diagonally dominant system? Means suppose if you arrange it in the matrix, you can very well recognize 4, minus 1, just write the numbers, minus 1, 0. Here, minus 1, next 4, 0, here, minus 1, 4, 0, minus 1. Next, arrange it, minus 1, 0, 4, minus 1. Next, 0, minus 1, minus 1, 4. Now observe, this 4, it is greater than these two. This 4 is greater than, I told you already in the previous lecture. Suppose if I want to select this as first equation, what is the first variable? u1. What is the number behind this? 4. This 4 should be greater than, right, these two numbers. Sum of these two numbers, 1 plus 1. 2 greater, so therefore I can select this as first equation. Similarly, for second equation, what is number behind u2? 4. For second equation, what is number behind u2? 4. This is second variable. What is number behind u2? 4. This should be greater than these two numbers. 1. Here 0. I am not taking the negative sign into consideration. Here 1. It is greater. To be a third equation, number behind the third variable. What is that? 4. This should be greater than this number 1. Here 0. Here 1. Suppose to be a fourth equation, number behind the fourth variable. What is the fourth variable? u4. It should be greater than 0, 1, 1. All are satisfying. So therefore, I can take this equations as it is. Right? So I have written that as it is. Now, from the first equation, find the value of u1. From the second equation, find the value of u2. What is the procedure? From the first equation, this equation, find the value of u1. From the second equation, find the value of u2. From the third equation, find the value of u3. From the fourth equation, find the value of u4. Right? Now, start with u1 is equal to 0, u2 is equal to 0, u3 is equal to 0, u4 is equal to 0. You will get u1 like this. Next, for u2, you are getting u3, you are getting, right? u3, u2 you are getting like this, u3 will get like this, u4, u4. Now, for stage 2, take these values u1, u2, u3, u4. Use equation 1. What is the equation 1? u1 is equal to, I given it already, equation 1. Substitute there, you are getting this, right? Substitute u1 in equation 2. Same thing, whatever you had done in the previous class, same thing. You continue, you will get the solution. Okay, let us stop.